Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a November inspirational kit, and it has all kinds of yummy goodies. I can't wait to share it with you, so let's dig in. So first I wanted to share with you this pack, and it's a package filled with beautiful handmade flowers. I'll take them out of the package. And of course it has a yummy and beautiful cluster on top for Olivia to reuse. And I will put the information of Olivia in the description box below. She is going to be my guest designer for the month of January. And I created these gorgeous flowers. As you can see, I just really love them. They have lace, they have a beautiful bead in the center, organza base is the flower, and it's just perfect for all your embellishments. Beautiful base for that. Let me try and zoom in a little bit, so like so you can see it again. So that's for the first package. Then I created this cluster on top. Of course everything can be removed, and she can reuse the whole package again. I'll take it out. So you can see the beautiful organza ribbons, and they all have a sort of a thread inside, and it's pretty stiff, so you can bend them all to your liking and then put them on all your projects. So this is perfect as a base as well. Then, as you can see, I have different boxes surrounding me, and in all these boxes are mostly vintage items. And I try to adapt to, of course, to Olivia's liking. And this kit is, of course, again available as a box, individual pieces, just whatever you would love. Just send me a message and we will work it out. You can buy it as an entire package or as individual pieces. So let's start with this one first, which is this beautiful package. I'll take it out of the box, and it's pretty heavy. It has all sorts of materials inside, beautiful steams, a beautiful brooch. It has applique pieces, again bling pieces, and underneath some more applique pieces. I'm sure that Olivia will share with you all that's inside, and just let me know if you're interested in one of these boxes filled with mostly vintage items, and some are of course new, but I cannot wait to see what Olivia will create with this box. Then for the second box, I'll open her up. Comes like so, with beautiful wrapping inside, and as you can see, it has lots of trims, and most of these trims are all vintage, and they have different sizes. Larger ones, smaller ones, and mostly are a little bit champagne colored, and they are all dangles. So dangle laces, dangle trims. That's for this box, and this will be also included in the kit, of course. And then for the other box, which is this one, I open her up. This one has lots of doilies, different kinds of doilies, different kinds of types of doilies, and actually all of them are vintage, as you can see. They have different sizes, smaller, larger one, and this is a large, pretty large piece of a, it used to be a curtain. So that's for this box, filled to the neck with yummy doilies, and which are all different different designs. So that's for this box. Super cute. Then I'll share with you this box as well. Like so. And as you can see, it has lots of yummies inside. Flowers, some handmade flowers as well as I created, like so. A few of those, some flower steams, but then the larger ones, mulberry roses here, again some paper roses, and another type of beaded, yeah, what's this called? I always forget the names of these things, but you know what I mean. This. And this will be perfect for all the creations. They all match very well together. So it's just a base kit that you will be using for your beautiful shabby chic items, for your projects, and just something you want to have for yourself as a gift, or maybe as a gift to give to a friend. Then I'll open up this box. This box also has a variety of different trims. These are the ruffled trims that I did myself on the machine, of course. A gorgeous flower trim here. This one is also very pretty. Super yummy. This is a very wide one, a very wide lace, and it's a bit stretchy. Gorgeous eyelet trims, these two. And then different kinds of small laces with a bit, yeah, dainty look onto them. I just love it. Super cute. Also available as a box itself or in the entire kit, so that's up to you. I'll put this here on this side. Then last but not least in this kit is this beautiful box filled with some larger doily pieces. So they all have different tatting, Battenberg. I have a series of different doilies inside, which are really perfect for your base, for your fabric book, for your lace books, for your wall hangings, whatever beautiful crafting you're working on. So that's for this. And I am hoping that you will love this kit as well. Please let me know what you think about the variation of the kits that I am sharing with you, and just let me know if you're interested in one or maybe some a series of the whole entire kit. I'll put the link of Olivia's channel down below. And of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them as well. And I cannot wait to see what she will create with this. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.